Good morning, children. Open page number 18 in your English literature book. We have completed the A exercise, which is under language structure. Now we are going to do this word building exercise. In this question, you have to make as many small or big words with the alphabets given here. So let's start. Make as many words as you can from the following word. This word is given encyclopedia, where alphabets, you have to disperse the alphabets. ENCYCLOPEDIA. Encyclopedia is a word, and here are the alphabets given. So you have to disperse these alphabets, and with these alphabets you have to make new words. I'll give you the example. For example, we can make a word I. How I have made? See, this is the alphabet E, then Y, then alphabet E. So taking alphabets or letters from this word encyclopedia and making a new word. Similarly, we can make a word cycle. C, we have taken from here, Y, then again C, L and E. Is it clear, children? See, we have made two words from this one long word. We have taken letters from this word and made a new small words. So you have also to make these words. This is your homework. Kindly do it in book itself. Okay, you can make as many new words as you want, but you have to make sure that those alphabets you have to take from this encyclopedia word. You cannot add alphabet from your mind, so you have to take the letters from this word only. So coming to page 19, open page 19 in your English literature book. Grammarly. So we are starting a new topic, that is material nouns. So you might have learned in class 2 types of noun. You have already learned in class 2 the types of noun. How many types of noun are there? There are common nouns, proper nouns, abstract nouns, material nouns. So here we are going to learn one of the nouns, one of the types of nouns, which is material nouns. A material noun is the name given to a material or substance of which things are made. So children, what are material nouns? Material nouns वो nouns होते हैं जिनसे कोई चीज़ बनी होती है. For example, a bottle. So bottle is made up of which substance, which material? Bottle is made up of plastic. So plastic is a material noun. Clear? We are taking examples here. For example, 1. The utensils are made of steel. Utensils means bartan, which you use in your kitchen. The utensils are made of steel. तो steel utensils किससे बने हैं? Steel से बने हैं. So steel is a material. So steel will be a material noun. Number 2, the table is made of wood. You use study table, you use dining table, center table. All these tables are made of which material? These tables are made up of wood. Some tables are made up with aluminium or metal. कुछ tables metal के भी बने होते हैं, तो in that case metal would be a material noun. But in this example, wood is a material noun. Why? Table is made up of wood. That is why. In above examples, steel and wood are material nouns. We are coming to the exercise. One more example you can take. For example, you are using a book. So, book is made up of what material? You can say कार्डबोर्ड, दैट इज़ दफ्ती. जो बुक का ऊपर का कवर होता है वो किससे बना होता है? कार्डबोर्ड से बना होता है, दफ्ती से बना होता है. तो दैट विल बी अ मटीरियल नाउन. ओके, चूज सूटेबल मटीरियल नाउन्स फ्रॉम द हेल्प बॉक्स फॉर द फॉलोइंग वर्ड्स. दिस ग्रीन बॉक्स इज़ अ हेल्प बॉक्स विच यू कैन use as a hint for solving this exercise. So books are made up of paper. So books कार्डबोर्ड से भी बनते हैं बेटा. जो फर्स्ट कवर होता है बुक्स का वो दफ्ती का होता है, तो हम कह भी सकते हैं कि बुक्स दफ्ती से भी बने हैं. और बुक्स के अंदर क्या है? पेपर है. पेपर से भी बुक्स बने हैं. क्लियर? देन नंबर 2 इज़ फ्लावर. फ्लावर इज़ आटा. तो आटा किससे बना है? वीट से. इफ़ दिस स्पेलिंग इज़ नॉट क्लियर टू यू, काइंडली रेफर टू द स्पेलिंग हियर. फ्लावर इज़ आटा. तो आटा किससे बना है? वीट. वीट इज़ गेहूँ. गेहूँ को पीस के हम फ्लावर बनाते हैं. नंबर 3 इज़ फर्नीचर. फर्नीचर इज़ चेयर, टेबल, स्टडी टेबल, सेंटर टेबल, सोफा, बेड. दीज आर ऑल comes under furniture. So all the furnitures are made by wood. Number 4 is windows. So windows are made up of wood also and glass. Glass is कांच. The one you see window pane, that is window pane is made up of glass, and the frame of the window is made up of wood. Nails. Nails here is कील. जो हम वॉल्स में कील लगाते हैं, दैट इज़ नेल्स, एंड दैट इज़ मेड अप ऑफ आयरन. IRON, आयरन. नंबर 6 इज़ थ्रेड. दैट इज़ धागा. तो धागा किससे बना होता है? कॉटन से. साड़ीज. साड़ीज कैन बी मेड अप ऑफ सिल्क ऑल्सो, कॉटन ऑल्सो, रेयन, सिंथेटिक साड़ीज. सो यू कैन मेंशन.
Number 8 is earrings. Earrings can be made up of gold or silver, but here the hint is gold, so we are going to take this gold. Number 9 is rainfall. बारिश. तो बारिश तो पानी से ही होती है, that is water. Number 10 is Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is made up of which material? It is made up of marble. So we are going to write the material noun which is marble. Coming to the next exercise, which is listen and tell. Listen carefully. Match the pictures with the names of Suhana's neighbors. So children, this is your homework. You are going to do this exercise as homework. So you have to match the names with the pictures given here. Number 1 is Vishal's grandmother. So wherever you find Vishal's grandmother, kindly match the name with the picture. Number 2 is Mrs. Jain. So wherever you find Mrs. Jain's picture, kindly match the picture with the name given. So similarly you do till 6. This is your homework, and don't forget to send the pictures in the next class. Okay, thank you so much class. Till then, please keep doing your work neatly and carefully. Try not to make any mistakes, and thank you so much.